The vibe coding wars just got serious. At Google Cloud Next 2025, held in Las Vegas, Google launched Firebase Studio, a full-stack AI-powered development platform. And the internet is already calling it Lovable plus Cursor plus Replit plus Bolt plus Windsurf plus more, all in one. So what exactly is Firebase Studio and why does it matter now so much? Let's break it down for you. Back in 2023, Google had Gemini, but no product to deliver Gemini into the hands of developers. Until now, Firebase Studio is that missing piece. It is a cloud-based agentic development environment where you can go from prompt to production all in one browser itself. No installs, no setup, just build. And it's not just for demos. Firebase Studio lets you design for UI, you can create API schemes, you can build AI flows, you can deploy on Firebase or Cloud Run. You can do all of this through Firebase, all with the help of Gemini. And that is why it's safe to say that Google has entered the vibe coding wars seriously. Cursor AI is already valued at $10 billion. Replit has its AI agents. Vercel has VO. And that is why Google had to respond, and responded did. Firebase Studio literally mixes, say, GenKit, Project IDX, Firebase, and Gemini Code Assist agents. All of this to create a one-stop shop for full-stack AI app development. So you can see, right, that this is not just code autocomplete. This is agentic development with deployment baked in. And that is why this is agent-powered everything. Firebase Studio gives you access to Gemini agents that do the heavy lifting. There's a migration agent that helps you move legacy Java code. There's an AI testing agent that runs adversarial tests on models. And then comes a code documentation agent that literally chats with your code like a wiki. That's not all. There's a prototyping agent as well that converts text prompts and screenshots into working app skeletons. And that's why it's no longer just prompt to code. It's prompt to deployable product literally. It's end-to-end app lifecycle in a browser. Firebase Studio supports React, Next.js, Angular, Vue, Flutter, Android, Node.js, Java, Python, Go, and a lot more as well. So you can start with 60 plus templates, modify any part of the app, import GitHub repos, test in browser, deploy all of this without ever leaving the cloud IDE. And on top of that, Gemini helps you to debug, generate tests, manage Docker containers, resolve dependency, the works. And the best part, it's free, for now at least. You get 3 free coding workspaces, you get 30 if you're in the Google Developer Program, and Gemini agents are in early access but coming. But let me tell you, not everything is perfect, not everything is hunky-dory. Some users report that it struggles with advanced UX, that the AI sometimes ignores prompts, that hosting cost clarity is lacking, and that some features break midway. And of course, your data might still be used to train Gemini unless you toggle off training in settings. So what does this mean exactly? Firebase Studio is Google's most serious swing yet at bringing AI native app development to everyone. And it makes Gemini more than just a chatbot. It makes it a developer tool, quite literally. So it's safe to say that whether you're a solo developer, whether you're a startup founder, or whether you're just experimenting, this is your chance. A free Gemini-powered full-stack builder from prompt to production with agents by your side as well. So try it out at Firebase Studio. We will leave the link in the description below. Let us know what you build. We'd love to feature the best ones in our videos. And if you're a developer or a coder, tell us in the comments what you think this will mean for developers. For more such stories from the world of tech and AI, subscribe to AIM TV because think AI, think AIM.